Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Los Cristianos. We're in a complex called Castle Harbour, and we're going to be looking at a one-bedroom apartment. It's a really, really popular rental complex, Castle Harbour, and this particular apartment's got a lovely terrace. It's absolutely massive. And I don't know if you can see it, but we can just about see through the haze La Gomera. So when all this haze has gone, we're going to have lovely sunsets here as well. So let's have a look around. So we've got a nice looking American kitchen here with plenty of storage space. There's even a washing machine here as well, I've noticed, and a dishwasher. So I think the owner rents it out, and if you wanted to rent it out long term, I mean, that would be absolutely ideal. Nice and bright, as I say. Sofa bed here, and then on this side here with a television, and plenty of storage there as well. Really nice terrace. Let's just go outside and have a look through here. So as I say, we've got a really nice view across the town here. So we've got sea view here on the left hand side, then we've got Trail Feature, which is the little mountain in the centre of Los Cristianos, and then across here, as I say, I don't know if you can see it today, we've got a bit of a Colima, but so we've got a good view of La Gomera across there, which means that we'll be getting the sunset on this balcony. So a good sized balcony. We've got a table here, another little table here for maybe for your breakfast, and then a sofa just over there on that side. So back into the lounge kitchen area, and on the left hand side we've got an area here which they've cleverly used and put the fridge freezer in, and then just from the fridge freezer there straight into the bathroom. Again, nice looking bathroom, modern, nothing needs doing at all, and then there's a shower here. So a nice modern bathroom, nothing needs doing, shower, toilet and a hand basin, and then from out of here straight into the bedroom. Good sized bedroom as well, and we've got these sliding doors here which will open up onto the terrace. So there's the sofa and the little chairs there. You sit and have your breakfast or your gin and tonic as you sit and watch the sun go down. Nice sized bedroom, plenty of storage space, nice floor. The floor's okay, so I think in my opinion it's ready just to move into, rent it out. We do short-term renting, long-term renting. So that's our one-bedroom apartment in Castle Harbour, Los Cristianos, with a fabulous community pool, really nice complex as well, ideal for letting. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.